everyone, this is Adel from OZ Engineering, and in this video I'll show you an example of bulk current injection conducted immunity simulation using Ansys EMC+. So here we will see how an injected current affects our signal. I'm going to use the same model as in the previous crosstalk demo. You can find the link to it in the description box below. So let's start by creating a surface and setting a current source. I'll select the surface, press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy it, and let's move it in the -x direction by 100 millimeters. Now let's go to the EMA 3D tab and click on Current Excitation Source. Here we can give it a name, and let's keep the current type set to electric. Select the surface and click Complete. Now we need to select waveform for our current source. So under Signals, let's click on Sine. I will set the start time to half the simulation time so it will be easier to detect the effect of interference on the signal. Let's change the amplitude to 20 and set the frequency to 100 MHz. Now let's drag and drop the signal under the source, and let's place a current probe in the center of the wire. I'll name it common mode current. Place it here and click Complete. Now we need to set voltage excitation to the cable. So let's select the M-harness tab. Click on pin excitation, pin voltage. Let's click here. Select this conductor and click OK. Now let's set a voltage probe. Click here. Select this conductor and click OK. Now we need to select a waveform for the pin excitation. So let's click on rectangular. I'll change the amplitude to 5. Here we can set the fall time, the rise time, the frequency. Now let's drag and drop the signal under the pin excitation. I'll rename it conductor. And we'll do the same here. Now we are ready to mesh the model and run the simulation. So I'll click here to mesh the model, click Start, and run. Here under Results we have our common mode current and conductor. If I right click here and click Plot, we have our result. As you can see, we have this part where we only have our data, and then here when we activate the external bulk current injection. Also, we can check the voltage. As you can see, we have readable data here, and after interference, it's no longer readable. This concludes this example. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.